अब तक आपने देखा कैसे वो भागने वाले बंदे और डियो ने जॉनी और जायरो से कैचअप कर लिया, क्योंकि ये लोग हैं तो तेज लेकिन ये पड़ते रहते हैं पंगों में। और अब वहां से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इन लोगों को कॉप्स का सच पे थोड़ा थोड़ा पता लग चुका है। जायरो ने थोड़ा ज्ञान पेला था सेंट्स के बारे में। और इन द लीड वी हैव द ब्रिटिश जॉकी डिएगो ब्रांडो, बट सैंडमैन इज फॉलोइंग राइट बिहाइंड हिम. So is Jairo Zeppeli and Johnny Joestar, who finished fifth in the first stage. ओहो, Scary Monsters Part 1. ओके, और ये लोग हैं और हैं। और जायरो आगे निकल गया क्या डिएगो से? It's Jairo Zeppeli right before the second stage finish line. It's Jairo again. He jumps into the lead. Only a straight line of 600 meters left to go. The rough terrain is the unmerciful heat. The racers have traveled 1200 kilometers since the race started 18 days ago. शेट, तो ये बंदा भाग भाग के 1200 किलोमीटर चला और ये सबसे घोड़े वालों से बराबरी कर रहा है यार, कमाल है। But as we near the Monument Valley, yet again the most skilled racers are gathering at front. It's a reenactment of the first stage. और इन लोगों पे न्यूज़पेपर फेंके जा रहे हैं मेरे हिसाब से, शायद। Now Diego Brando is picking up pace, and Sandman continues to fly across the land with his monstrous legs. Gyro, this newspaper, Gyro, look, holy shit. We can win, Johnny. We can win this stage. Keep it up at full speed. I can't believe this, but it is this newspaper, this picture. I'm telling you, Gyro, look at it. अभी के अभी क्यों देखना है? ये क्या है भाई? ये कैसा पत्थर है? This mountain in this article's picture, that is the same shape, Gyro. This article about third stage of the race. क्या shape है ये? The shape. Look, the shape of the mountain top, it's the same. Look closely, it's the same as the scar on my left arm. Cruz. Oh. तो इसको रेस के बीच में क्यों बता रहे हैं? बाद में भी तो बता सकता है, अभी जीतने से ध्यान दो। These scars aren't scars. These scars aren't letters. They're a place. They're telling us to go here. The next corpse part must be on mountain. What? इसको रेस के बीच में ये सब बकवास करनी है। ये लोग जीत जाएंगे। डिएगो ब्रांडो फिनिशेस इन फर्स्ट। ऑब्वियसली यही होगा अगर जॉनी बकवास करेगा रेस के टाइम पे तो। फर्स्ट प्लेस गोस टू डिएगो। हाँ, जॉनी जोस्टार इन सेकंड। वाह, इसने जायरो को धोखा दे दिया। थर्ड इज सैंडमैन एंड जायरो जेपली फोर्थ। Hey, what's he saying, Johnny? Wait a second. Why do you finish before me? Just now, hold it. Johnny, you fucker, wait. And they continue on. The front line refuses to stop. No plans for a break. Each racer continues straight on, straight into the third stage. यार ये जारो के लिए बहुत ही बुरा लगता है, बेचारे को रेस जीतनी थी, उसके साथ सब बुरा हो रहा है। तो अब ये मॉन्यूमेंट वाली माउंटेन रॉकी कैनन सिटी तक जाना है इनको। शिट, मेरे लैपटॉप का चार्ज कम है। डोंट माइंड इफ आई हुआ गया चार्ज। हाँ, तो ये लोग ये स्टील भागते हुए देख रहे हैं इन लोगों को। So you've made it, but I am not able to help you, Gyro Zeppeli. A report from the balloons. Pork Pie Hat has failed. Mr. President, he is unable to recover. Well, that's quite obvious if you look outside. Gyro just happily finished the course. Give me some information that I don't know. एक सेकंड, ये प्रेसिडेंट है? दूसरा वाला प्रेसिडेंट था ये छोटा, मतलब ये तो चाइनीज वाला लग रहा है। एक और था ना, मुझे लगा तो वो प्रेसिडेंट है। तो ये बुढ़ा वाला प्रेसिडेंट। I don't know what this could mean, but Pork Pie Hat was on the ground with this in his hands. It's a piece of cloth, and for some reason there are shapes of letters scotched into the cloth. The scotched letters are Latin and mean to move one's feet. Wow, to move one's feet. Mover, क्या था? Mover cruise. Cruise? और ये दूसरा वाला प्रेसिडेंट आया शायद, जो मुझे पहले लग रहा था प्रेसिडेंट है। दाढ़ी बना रहा है। Something unexpected. Pork Pie Hat has not finished. Was not fighting Gyro Zeppeli, but Johnny Joestar. We can tell by the footprints of the place of action. Therefore, it is not Gyro who is hiding the corpse, but Johnny Joestar. He is the one we should be after, though we don't know which part of the corpse he has. Do you have a plan? Do you know how to drink an entire can of beer at once? इसने बियर के नीचे छेद किया और वहां से पीने लगा और बियर का ओवरलोड हो गया. यस यस. और कैन को फचका दिया. All right, that kid did his part to help us out. He wrapped the corpse with this cloth when he once had it in his hands, just like this. From the thickness you can see on the cloth, the wrapped corpse part is an arm. No doubt about it, it's either the left or right arm. That's when the cloth was scorched. अच्छा, तो उसके हाथ में जब वो था तो कपड़ा जल गया. With the energy that the corpse sets forth. अच्छा नहीं, नॉर्मल मुझे लगा वो जब आग लगी थी ना बिजली वाइट से जल गया, लेकिन वो कॉप्स की एनर्जी से जला. Johnny Joestar has an arm, and these scorched letters are not just letters. Could they be a message pointing to a specific location? I am always questioning, but I never know what these letters mean. I am always thinking, always. और इसने बटन लगाया और नहीं, बटन खोल रहा है और इसका दिल बाहर है, मतलब रिब केज के बाहर है. Anyhow, now we have now found two parts of that person's corpse, including the heart in my chest. तो इसके बाद जो दिल है वो भी बंदे का ही कॉर्प्स है. According to the map of Joseph of Arimathea. हाँ, मैं इसी बंदे की बात कर रहा था वैसे. There are 9 corpse parts in all that are scattered across this continent. 9 parts. If the pork pie hat kid was defeated, then Johnny Joestar must have decided to find the next part. It might not be a bad idea to have him find it. If Joestar does find it in the rocky route, then we'd know where 3 parts are, and only 6 would be left. Send the assassin there. Yes. We already have, Mr. President. Oh. तो ये पूरा टाइम जो लड़की है जो इन लोगों की तरह दिखती है वो देख रही थी की होल से. इस बंदे ने क्या दरवाजा खोला या कुछ तो किया इसने, और ये अच्छा शीशे में देख रहा था और ये वहां से मुड़ा और वो बाहर देखने जा रहा है और ये छुप गई. व्हाट वाज दैट? हिज चेस्ट. ओ, इसको पता लग गया लड़की को. नाइस नाइस. डिएगो ब्रांडो के पास भी अब वो 1 आवर का वो है और अब वो उसके पास भी ना सैंडमैन के पास भी. तो अब जायरो क्या यार. हाँ, 0.50. एक सेकेंड, इसमें हाफ क्यों लिखा है? अच्छा, हाफ हॉर्स लेंथ पीछे था फर्स्ट प्लेस से. नहीं, अच्छा डिफरेंस बता रहे हैं ना कि इसका इतना टाइम था और इसका सेम टाइम, बस हाफ हॉर्स लेंथ पीछे. ये एक हॉर्स लेंथ एंड अ नोज. तो जायरो के टोटल पॉइंट्स 36 हुए और डिएगो के 150, सैंडमैन के 140 और जॉनी के 80. पांचवा प्लेस में जो हॉट पैंट्स है वो जायरो से आगे चल रहा है पॉइंट वाइज. ग्रेट, जस्ट वंडरफुल. Although there is no mistake that I'll finish first in this third stage. I'll get 100 points from this stage, so I'll only have 136 total. 136 points after this stage won't give me a lead over Dio or Sandman. And that Johnny bastard, if he happens to get first, he'll have a total of 180 points for lead. He said he'd finish after me. That promise-breaking betrayer. This can't be happening. And it's hard to believe that Dio and Sandman, who are moving on ahead of us, will finish without any points. Not gonna happen, but it would be so good. Look, Gyro, Dio's sitting down over there. That's Dio's horse. But it's strange, they are off course. क्या हुआ? ये Dio घायल है, इसका हेलमेट गिरा हुआ है. Looks like he fell. Yes, just my luck. He's bleeding from his cheek. He fell? Dio actually fell? Well, it is a mountain course. Could be that he and his horse aren't made for this type of land. हाँ बस. He cuddled up. He fell over holding his head. Dio falling off his horse, that's just hard to believe. But by the looks of things, seems like he'll be a little behind. He may have to drop out even. Let's go, Gyro. I don't know you were that kind of person, Johnny. I'm the type that laughs at others' misfortune myself. And it'd be great if he didn't get any points in this stage, but it might be a life-threatening wound. Let's check it out. It's best that you stay away from Diego Brando Gyro. Oh, come on, where's your compassion? He can be trusted. Dio is Britain's honorable genius jockey, but he will do anything for money and to win. That's what people say. There are many shady rumors. For example, when he was 20, he married an 83-year-old widow to inherit her fortune. The widow died half a year later. It's rumored that Dio killed her. Yeah, 83-year-old. So what you want to say is he may trying to trick us like that. And in this situation, it's possible that he's connected to the terrorists. Maybe if he was about to lose you, but he's ranked number one. Why would he do that? He's bleeding, getting worse. I'm just going to check. Nah, ouch. The ground's over there. It's awfully sharp land. My horse is reacting to, but his horse must have been surprised just the same. Hey Dio, are you all right? If you want the rescue team to come, just say so. I'll call them. और डियो एकदम उसकी तरफ देखता है गुस्से में. इसके नाखून वाखून पूरे टूटे हुए हैं. इसकी उंगलियां, इसके हाथ टूट रहे हैं. क्या? What? His fingers are scabbed. Did he touch something? Get lost, you two. In the end, I'm the one who's going to pass you up. Nyo-ho-ho. Looks like he's fine. Whether it's a trap or not, he's too healthy. That's great. Let's go, Johnny. और ये इसका खून आया जा रहा है अभी भी. और ये क्या गिर गया नीचे? हड्डियां कहां से आई? एक सेकेंड. अच्छा, हड्डियां शायद थी पहले से ही. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. Third stage, fifth day, Rocky Mountains, about 380 kilometers from Monument Valley. Gyro will pass through the Rocky Mountains in 2 days. According to the map, Mount Footloose is across that mountain. It's about, यार जॉनी ने जायरो को हरा क्यों दिया? मुझे उस पर गुस्सा आ रहा है. बट इट्स राइट ऑन द कोर्स. यू कैन सी इट स्लाइटली. हाँ, थोड़ा सा दिख तो रहा है. इट्स अबाउट 15 किलोमीटर अवे. कुड वी मेक इट टुडे? Today is too late. Tomorrow. The sun's about to set. We'll let the horses rest. Cruz. This has to be the place. The next course part is on that location. The mountain is wide, but we'll find out when we go. I know we will. Hey Johnny, my horse is freaking out. Johnny, it's him. It's Dio. और ये Dio आ रहा है और इसने देखा. He looks pretty aggressive, unlike before. Don't let your guard down, Johnny, and don't let him pass you. Hey, come on, guys. Don't take it that way. I'm done for today. The sun's starting to set. There's a small village ahead. Let's stay there. Camping out is a bad idea. There are beasts out in this area. The other day after sundown, I got surrounded by beasts. A few cougars and a few rattlesnakes. The cougars and rattlesnakes were on two sides of the road, blocking my way out. I was thinking of how to escape, but then for some reason I was able to pass through on one side of the road. I was able to get by one of those two groups easily. Which side do you think it was? The cougars or the rattlesnakes? मेरे हिसाब से तो cougars. The answer is rattlesnake. Shit. Because they were asleep and snoring on the side of the road. Huh? Hey, come on, it's a joke. Abbe bhap. Only a joke. What did you think? Then maybe they woke up and started slapping each other in their faces. Get it? क्या बकवास कर रहा है? Damn, I feel good. Everything is so refreshing. Splendid. Maybe because I fell back there. My body feels light. It's too bad the sun is setting. Get away from us, Diego Brando. We won't travel with you. Johnny Joestar, I applaud your performance in both the first and second stage. I heard you got injured, but what a grand comeback this is. और इसका हाथ अभी भी टूटा ही हुआ है, ये देख रहा है. और इसकी गर्दन भी टूट रही है. और है सांप है इसकी गर्दन में, और वापस चला गया जल्दी से। ये क्या, इसने वो डायनासोर की हड्डी अपने अंदर रख ली। Hey, you two are experts on the horse. Can you do this? Hey, hey, तो ये अपने घोड़े पे ट्रिक्स कर रहा है पूरी अलग अलग तरह से। Hey, 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 Johnny, what's up with him? Our genius jockey is always this wacky. How should I know? But something strange, something's wrong. We thought he was badly injured back there, but now, Jairo, are we gonna be with him tonight? Well, even if we tried to avoid that, there are wolves out there. It would be far too risky for the horses. We need to stay at the village. Yep, the wolves are still roaming around. That's the safest. Dude, he can hear us. ओके, और ये लोग आ गए विलेज में, और ये लोग शायद वेट कर रहे थे इनका, वेव कर रहे हैं ना इनकी तरफ। और इन्होंने, जारो ने 2 उंगलियां ऊपर कर दी स्टाइल में शायद। और एक घर है जिसकी खिड़की दिखा रहे हैं, खिड़की भी जूम इन कर रहे हैं। और ये लोग आ गए। Seems like everybody knows about this race, even up here in the mountains. Gyro, where did Dio go? He's gone. Who knows? Maybe he's talking with the villagers. Seriously, I'm not sleeping in the same place as him. He's definitely the lowest a human can become. Putting poison in the horse's food or tinkering with our harnesses is second nature to him. I know. We'll keep watch of our horses just like we do when we camp out. There's a furnace in the room next door. I say it's time for dinner. I'll go search for some wood. ओके, एंड देख रहे हैं, और इसके हाथ पे क्रूज लिखा हुआ है। खाना बन रहा है, और जॉनी बैठने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कुछ तो कर रहा है। बैठ गया ऊपर, और ये निकाल रहा है चाय, और अचानक से कुछ इसका टेंशन लेता है, और डिएगो कुछ कर रहा है वहां पे, रोल इसके हाथ या जूते से रख के कुछ रोल कर गया। डियो, इट्स डियो। कौन हो डियो सा? व्हाट इज ही डूइंग क्रश डाउन देयर? रोल रोल रोल। गॉबल, पत्थर खा गया बंदा। इसको मेरे हिसाब से अचानक से ना कोई स्टैंड एबिलिटी मिली है, और ये पागल हो रहा है। स्मैक, रबल रबल, पत्थर खा के गल्प गल्प वो, और ये और पत्थर खा रहा है और खाए जा रहा है। और इसने अपना मुंह पूरा 180 घुमा के जॉनी को देखा। स्निफ 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 स्निफ, स्मेल्स लाइक कॉफी। आर यू मेकिंग कॉफी? व्हाट अ प्लेजेंट अरोमा। Are you making coffee? What a pleasant aroma. What are you doing there, dear? Nothing. Nothing? Hey, don't come in. Oh, are you wondering why I was eating those rocks? It's for digestion, Mr. Joestar, don't you know? It helps your stomach digest. It crushes what you ate inside the stomach. They're called gastroliths. Most meat-eating creatures do this. It's a health method. Learn from birds and alligators. I feel splendid. But you're making coffee, aren't you? It hasn't quite got the aroma of Blue Mountains, number one, but it's still really good. Mind if I have a cup? What about that wound you got from falling? It looked like a terrible wound when we saw you. I told you I'm doing great. I don't feel any pain anywhere. Why aren't you taking off your gloves? October's nights in the Rockies can get pretty chilly. I'll take them off when I wash my hands. Come on, let me have some. I don't want to travel with you. Let's make it clear. It's right in front of you. Drink the coffee and go to a different empty house. और ये कॉफी ले रहा है। स्निफ 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 स्निफ। ये अपने हाथ कुत्ते जैसे करके क्यों? Could I just ask, which one can I drink? Which one? There's only one cup here. Dio, you can't see? There are the rest are cans. Can see? और इसने अपना हाथ किया और मच्छर या मक्खी पकड़ के फिर छोड़ दी। Give me a break. I can see great. Both my eyesight and physical performance are at their best. I can see even better as it gets darker. But which one? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Which is it? I told you there's only one cup right here. Um, कुछ तो हुआ इसका, ये कुछ गिर गया और इसको रिएक्शन दिया और इसके हाथ से कॉफी लेके कूद गया और पीने लगा. व्हाट अ क्वियर. इसको ऐसे गे नहीं बोलना चाहिए लोगों को, पर कोई नहीं. व्हाट अ क्वियर. समथिंग्स रॉन्ग फॉर श्योर. कैन ही सी इट और डज ही जस्ट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. ड्रिप. और ये पिए जा रहा. हाँ, इसके मुंह पे बैंडेड लगा है पर इसका मुंह यहां तक है और वहां से कॉफी गिर रही है. ये जॉनी देखता है कि रिएक्शन देता है. कुछ तो हुआ है. वाह, दोस्ती, दोज आर टीथ. और ये तो अच्छा स्केरी मॉन्स्टर का यही तो नहीं है जो चैप्टर का टाइटल है. इट्स अ माउथ. इट्स ripped all the way to his ears. This guy, what the hell is under that bandage? That mouth. It's as if. What are you doing, Johnny? There sure are a lot of flies here, don't you think? There's a ton. They are coming in from the window. Close it, that door. Too. और फ्लाइज आए जा रही हैं और ये देखता है कि हाँ, इतना बड़ा पंजा. ये Johnny, close the window. I'm not talking about the flies. Don't you know? Didn't you notice? There's something right outside. और एक भालू मरा हुआ पड़ा है, किसी ने मार दिया भालू को. ये डिएगो का काम है पक्का. डिएगो क्या कर रहा है? It's the corpse of a bear. Its flesh has been eaten off. How long has it been laying there dead? A human couldn't have done this. और ये पीछे देखता है डियो की. डियो डायनासोर बन गया. यही था स्केरी मॉन्स्टर. मे बी द रियल स्केरी मॉन्स्टर्स वाज द फ्रेंड्स वी मेड along the way. And on that note of thought, or on that thought, let's end the chapter. Let's meet again for chapter 29. Steel Ball Run.